All right, we're here with Patricio Lugo, the 149, the comeback kid in his match against Nick Barber of Eastern Michigan, winning on a fall. Pat, it was a scoreless first period, then you were trailing by as much as 3-0. Got the takedown, you eventually got the fall, and last night you felt Suzanne Rutherford. How's it feel to be on the other end of that fall?
I felt pretty good. You know, my first fall and the big stage, big tournament. Felt good, brought my confidence high for the next match, and I'm ready to go.
And did you think that after that scoreless first period that points were going to be hard to come by?
Not really, because I know I was going to be able to roll the guy down, so I knew if I opened him up more, get to my attacks, I'd be able to put more points on the board.
Was a fall on your plans, or were you trying to accumulate some points? What was the mindset before you were able to
I'm just going to go out there, try to get the win, doesn't matter how I get it. If I get in triple overtime, or if I get the fall the first period, doesn't matter, a win's a win.
And of your 6 falls this year, what was the most satisfying? This one?
That one, sure. Absolutely.
Any final thoughts before your next match later on?
Nothing, just go out there. Ours are tough. We got 2 more matches, All-American, come back, get third. That's about it.
All right, thanks a lot, Pat. We'll catch up.